Show Chelsea how you can eat your banana. Come on, you were just doing it. Hold it. Hold the handle. Hold the handle. Come on. Come on, show Chelsea. Yum. You can hold it yourself. You're a big boy. Figure it out. Figure it out. Hold it. There you go. Oh, almost. There you go. Oh, banana is so good. So good. Oh.